So today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious beef chili in your Instapot. This is a simple recipe and is everything that you're hoping for. And we're going to be utilizing a 6-quart Instapot into a high saute setting. You're going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Then you're going to add in the beef, stirring frequently for 4 to 5 minutes until brown. Reduce the heat to medium. Once that is complete, add in onion and bell pepper. Quickly stir for 3 to 4 minutes, and then you're going to add in the garlic. And you're going to go ahead and stir that for about a minute. Lastly, we're going to add in 1 cup of water, tomatoes, tomato paste, chili powder, salt, pepper, and beans. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for locking your lid and preparing to cook. Set the pressure cooker on high for 10 minutes. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the quick release. Once you've completed the quick release, wait until the cycle is complete. Currently unlock and remove the lid, taking care that there is no remaining steam. You have a beautiful pot of beef chili that you and your family can enjoy. Thank you for visiting Hellmann's Healthy Hacienda. Check out the links here for other recipes and tips. Be sure to click the bell below so you get a notification when I drop a new video. Be happier and healthier.